Oriri ndereti igie kwihiriria gwa ciiko cia ngungumio cikaro-ini cia bunge ya bururi na seneti ithiite na mbere kunyitithio thing'a. Gikundi kia maseneta riu nimeyumiritie gukumithia kamiti ya kuhurana na ngungumio bururi-ini EACC ta gukorwo ari wegondereire wira-ini wayo wa kung'ethanira na ciiko cia ngungumio na uhuthiri muru wa kigina kia muingi thirikari-ini undu umwe na thirikari-ini cia makaunti.
But it is now appearing like we just talk and we don't bite. And it's difficult to explain that we don't have the teeth is with EACC. So we must bring the EACC into this room and the ODPP.
We are tired, Chair, where these people are just calling press conference to give status of corruption. The fight against corruption in this country, what they should do, there is a platform in Parliament that we can have a formal engagement as per Section 7.3 of the DPP Act to give us the status, because the information we have, Chair, and allegations that some of the files that are being referred to DPP are being secretly withdrawn.
Undu uyu wakiriirio ni ikinya ria maabitha EACC gukorwo matari maheana wira wao wigie mateta maria magumire kaunti ya Mandera iria igwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya seneti igie uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi niguo gutetera uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi kaunti-ini iyo. Riu maseneta makigweta EACC ta gukorwo ituikite muhinga munene hari mihango ya guthingatithia uigiririku bururi-ini.
After we make recommendations, you table before the House, we pass a resolution. It is the direction of the Senate. So if EACC does not follow the direction, they are contempt towards the Senate and the Parliament, Chair.
It should be easier to access a bishop than a governor. So you should not run away from us. You just want to talk.
As a chair, I am going to direct the EACC appears before this committee on Thursday, the 11th of September.
Murugamoyo wa maseneta ukite thikoni ni thutha wa President William Ruto gukirira bunge na maseneta ni gukorwo matuikite gwitagia mahaki kuma kuri magavana na maafitha nene a thirikari riria mekinye mbere ya kamiti cia bunge gucokia ciuria ciigie uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi.
The work we are doing is on behalf of Kenyans. We are doing this purely on public interest, Chair. So let EACC appear jointly with the DPP, so that Kenyans can know,
DCI.
And DCI,
yes,
so that we know where the disconnect is, Chair.
We are very keen. Protecting devolution also includes fight against corruption.
Maseneta ne marutire mukana magavana aria makoretwo making'athiria cikaro ciao kurumirira mĩario ya ica ikuhĩ ya mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga makimera marikuaga murigo mari wika riria riothe matacokirio makinya marumu ni undu wa kung'athiria kamiti ici kuonane mugaro na watho na gatiba ya bururi. Kiumia-inĩ gĩkĩ makiria wa magavana atano ni mang'athitie gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti cia Senate ciĩgiĩ guthũrima uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi aria ni hamwe na gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru, gavana wa Nandi Stephen Sang, Johnson Sakaja wa Nairobi, Jonathan Dadalitu wa kaunti ya Samburu, Abdul Samad Nasir wa Mombasa hamwe na angĩ ũndũ ũrĩa wonekete kũrakaria maseneta kũrĩa mehĩtĩte kũhĩtũkia watho wa kwambatĩria ndosho ĩrĩa mahũragwo kuma ciringi 500,000 nginya ciringi milioni 2.
This 500,000 is too little. We should raise it to 2 million, and they must pay from their own. And we must go ahead and name and shame such individuals who defy the invitations to the Parliament and the Senate.
When governors come before us, they are not doing us a favor. They are doing that which they are employed or elected to do. So our friends in the media, don't be worried. Even if there are a few postponements, deferments, I think we have sufficient tools in the Constitution and in statute to compel the appearance of governors before this committee.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.